Hi students, we are here to understand chapter number 4, more about adjectives. Let us understand first what is an adjective. An adjective is a word that is used to add something to the meaning of a noun or a pronoun. It describes or qualifies a noun or pronoun. So what is the work of an adjective is generally it qualifies a noun. It is showing some kind of quality of the noun. Adjective equivalent is a word which is basically not an adjective but is used as an adjective. So if you see in a sentence children, sometimes a word is given which is called as an adjective equivalent, but it is not at all an adjective, but it is equivalent to adjective, so it is known as an adjective equivalent. Now you see the number 1, stone walls do not make a prison. So when we see stone, children, stone is a noun, but it comes before the noun walls, stone walls. So what kind of walls we are talking about? Stone walls. So it is known as an adjective equivalent. All the up trains are running late today. Here up, children, up is generally a preposition, but here we are showing what kind of trains are running late, which is coming from up. That is known as the an adjective equivalent. Now position of an adjective. Let us see how the adjective is placed in a sentence. An adjective is generally used before its noun or attributive, but sometimes an adjective is used after the verb, that is known as a predicative. Example, the unicorn is an imaginary animal. So here you can see animal is the noun and before the animal adjective has come. So it is known as an attributive. Imaginary, the word imaginary. She looked happy. So here the verb is looked and then comes the adjective happy. So this is known as a predicative. Order of adjectives. Let us understand children. When we use more than one adjective, they are to be placed in a proper order. This order depends on the meaning of the sentence. So what will come first children? When you arrange the order adjective, first should come quality, then comes size, then come age, then shape, color, material, type and purpose. This is the order of the adjective. Example, I love that really big old green antique car that is always parked at the end of the street. Let us see what is the order. First come quality, then come the size, then come age, then come color and then comes the qualifier. The second example, my sister has a beautiful big white bulldog. So what comes first? Quality, big is the size and white is the color. So this way you have to arrange the adjectives if you have more than one. Remember that minor changes in this order can be made to suit the situation. So you can change children from here to here, but it should be very minor. Formation of adjectives. Adjectives gives us more information about people, places, animals and things. Some adjectives can be formed from nouns, verbs and even other adjectives by adding a prefix or a suffix. Children, what is prefix and what is suffix? Prefix means a word which is added before another word and suffix means a word which is added after the word. The suffix less usually means without something. So when we are using less to any kind of word children, as a suffix, that means it has nothing to do. For example, hope, hopeless, hopeless. We do not accept anything from a hopeless person. The suffix full usually means to have something. So if you have full after the word, if any kind of word, then you can accept something from that person. Suppose hope, hopeful. Okay, so not all words can be made into adjective pairs like this. So it is not necessary, children, that every time by using less or full you will get a meaningful word. Sometimes it is not applicable to some words. Here it is the example: homeless and homeful. Homeful is the wrong word. Beautiful, beautyless. Beautyless is a wrong word. The suffix ish changes nouns and adjectives into adjectives that means like something. Example: child, childish; blue, bluish. Here children, child is a noun. When we add ish, it becomes adjective. When blue is already an adjective, we add ish and it becomes another adjective. For materials, we can add en to nouns to create adjectives that means made of. Example: wood. Wood can change into wooden when we add en to it. Materials: wool, woolen. When added to verb, able creates adjectives that express ability. So if it is any kind of verb and you want to change it into adjective, you can add able, word able as a suffix to the verb. So here drink, it becomes drinkable. Form adjectives from the following words, children. This is the worksheet on page number 15. Here already the answers are given. Kindly copy down these answers in your grammar book. I hope this part is clear to you, children. If you have any kind of problem, let me know. Till then, goodbye.